Yeah, I mean, it's a natural thing. I think some of the scholars, they say that it's something which, Allah will inshallah give leeway to a certain extent, um, because it's a natural kind of feeling that women will have towards their husbands if there are co-wives involved. So there's a certain limit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, well, you want to intend to really, cause harm to someone. And of course, we have to understand that in that kind of situation, it's a very emotional situation. Women, of course, generally speaking, are more emotional than men. So they may say things or do things anyway, even if it's not in a situation where there's co-wives involved. So when there's co-wives involved, then obviously emotions can run high. They may say things and do things, but the scholars, they say that they're overlooked for this. Why? Because they're Mu'minin, they're the wives of the Prophet ﷺ. So they have this status that nobody else has, you know, and the patience that they have, and you know the their worship and their knowledge, and the efforts that they've made in terms of contributing to this to this deen is unparalleled. So I've no doubt they're in a position where Allah's forgiven them for whatever's happened, and Allah knows best.